A noise and a voice from Jerusalem, the city of God, will be absolutely astounding. The God of Israel says thusly, this, as written, shall the Almighty once again fulfill during the days ahead of these latter days, of these very latter years, of the time of the end. The sound of noise from the city, a voice from the temple, the voice of the Lord, who fully repays his enemies. Isaiah chapter 66, verse 6. And indeed, there shall be a great, unusual, extraordinary, and unprecedented noise from the great city of my name, a voice from the temple, even the ruins of the first two temples. For it shall encompass the voice of the Lord God as a rejoicing to Israel, perhaps, for those who honor, love, obey, offer unto me, who serve me, whether small or great. But a trembling to the enemies of Israel, who are indeed the enemies of God also. End of message. Thusly says the Almighty Lord God has spoken and written this day, date and time of Saturday the 16th of May, 2020 at 2:03 p.m. American Eastern Daylight Time, Tampa Bay, Florida, United States of America, the place where my godly holy name is meticulously and awesomely engraved. Published for Friday the 7th of May, 2021.